Hello guys, so today I want to talk about how you can invest your money online. If you want to invest into ETF or you just into this, to keep on watching this video, let me show you everything that you need to know on this video. So at the end of this video, you are going to decide if you want to do this or not. Before you do it, please do your own research because this video is just for educational purpose. So I'm going to show you how you can invest into shares and how you can invest into ETF. So let us head over to my computer. Let me show you everything that you need to know on this video. So at the end of this video, I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share this video, guys. So let us head over to my computer. Let me show you everything that you need to know on this video. So guys, as you can see on the screen, this is Trading212. So when you want to invest in shares or when you want to invest into ETF, this is the platform that I am recommending you to use. But in your country, if you don't have Trading212, you can find the website or platform that is available in your own country. That is one thing that I just want to say here. So to create your account on Trading212 is very simple and easy. You can use the link in the description if you want, or you can just go to trading212.com and access their website and create your account. So to create an account, like I'm saying, you need your first name, last name, and they're going to ask for a passport or national ID. You can upload all those old things that I mentioned in your account, and your account is going to be verified. Those are the things that they require. They require that your passport or national ID and your residence permit, or what they call it. I don't know what they will call it in your own country. So once you have all those things set up on the account, it takes like about 1 hour or 1 day for them to verify your account. Once your account is verified, then you just need to log into your own account. So let me log into my Trading212 account. One thing I like about Trading212 is that you can start investing in Trading212 with just $1. Yes, I know you'll be shocked. $1. You can invest into shares, a particular individual company, or you can invest into public company, which is called ETF. So that is one thing that I want to show you on this video. So let me log into my own account. So as you can see, guys, my own account have opened on my Trading212 account. Let me show you proof that I have made money from this business. It's not just me just rolling my mouth. So you can see that this is my volume, is the amount of money you have in your own account. And as you can see, total return of my investment is 231 euros and 22 or 23 cents. You can see there. And the rate of return is 98%, which means I have almost made about half of what I have invested in this my shares and ETF. So each my share and ETF combined, that is what it is. So it's not just only shares. So this is my share and ETF combined. So let us talk about share first, because that one is more easy. So let us see if you want to invest in shares. You can invest in shares like Nvidia, Google, Apple, or Tesla, or you can invest in those companies that, those big brands that you know. A lot of them are here. Netflix, Facebook, Instagram, you can find them here. Even Shopify, you can find all these old companies in this platform, which is called Trading212. You can decide if you want to invest in them or not. So to start your investment, what you need to do is to click on the search bar here. But before you click on that search bar, one thing that they used to ask you to do is to deposit money into this platform. To deposit money, you just need to click on this 3-dot icon at the top. It will be showing the same thing on your smartphone. All you just need to do is to click on deposit, and you are going to follow the process of how you can deposit money into this platform. Let me show you so that it will be very simple and easy for you. I'll click on deposit, and it's going to pop this up. You can choose either from your bank account or you can pay with your MasterCard. Let us say I want to pay with my MasterCard. I will click on my MasterCard here, and it's going to pop this up. Here you are going to enter the amount of money that you want to invest. So you can, let us say I want to invest $15,000 or $30,000. I can just click on that, and I click on next, and it's going to, I'm going to go and verify this transaction on my own bank account, and it's going to be launched here, and the money will arrive on my Trading212 account. After that, you are good now on how to deposit money into your Trading212 account. So that is everything I want to talk about that concerns depositing money into your Trading212 account. So let us close this window. and go back to the home page. So once you come back to your home page here, once you click on this home icon here, you can see the top shares that is trending right now. There is a category of what is losing, and the news, and the top losers, the global market. So you can see here, news are where you find information about what is going on this trading platform, which is called Trading212. And top winners is the company that is going up right now on this platform, which is called Trading212. Top losers are the company that are losing money right now in this website, which is called Trading212. Global market is where you find gold, silver, platinum. If you want to invest big company, you can find them here. So most owned is the company that you personally own shares on. So when you want to invest in shares, my recommendation is that you should invest in shares that have dividend, because if you invest in a company that is not growing, at least you have to be making money from other ways, not just rely on the company to grow. But as long as you are an investor to that company, you can be making money out of the investment that you have done with that company. That is one thing that I like here. So to invest, all you just need to do is to search for the company that you have in mind. You can click on the most owned here. You can just select any company that you want to invest your money on. Let us say I want to invest in, let us say Microsoft. I will click on Microsoft here and it's going to open up here. So what you can see here, if you have not invested your money here, you'll be seeing only buy. But because I have already invested money here, you can see that it's telling me to buy or sell. Let us say I want to buy. I will just click on buy. And it's going to pop this up. There is market price, which is what we are seeing here. But it's showing here volume. Volume is if you want to enter in price, if you want to buy a fraction of a share, which means you are buying a pie of a share. If you don't want to buy one share of a particular company, if you want to buy pie. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about here. So let us say I enter €1 here. €1 here, and it's going to show this to me. All I need to do now is to click on review order, and it's going to tell me to place the order immediately to show me the amount of money I'm paying and the tax that I'm paying. I want to let you know that the commission on this your order is completely free. On Trading212, they are not charging you anything. They charge you just like 5 cents or 2 cents for you to just purchase a share on this platform. That is why I like Trading212, and that is why I'm investing my money on this platform. So that is if you want to buy in market price. If you want to buy in limit order, that is when a share drop down. You want to buy when the market is down. You can do that. You can enter the price here and you are good to go. And you set it, you click on review order, and once the market is down to that particular price that you have entered, the share will be placed. And when the market is open, that your share is going to go live and you can start making money from that company if they are growing in value. You understand everything that you need to do here. If you want to buy a market price, you can click on this icon, click on number of share. You can come here and just remove everything and make it 0. You can just type 1 share and it will be telling you that the market price of this share is €398 and 33 cents right now. So you can see why is it showing me $300? Because it's showing me in euro at the bottom here. But this company is a Microsoft, which we know is in US. It's not in Europe. So that is why it's showing in dollar. And at the bottom here, it's showing me in euros. So that is it. And let us say you want to sell your share again. It's still the same thing. You just need to click on sell. It's going to show you the amount of money you have. If you want to sell half of your investment, you can do that here. If you want to sell everything, you can just click on all, and you are going to click on review. And it's going to pop this up. If you want to sell it, you just click on no, I'm not interested. It's going to pop this up and it's going to show you the commission is free and everything that you need to do. Once you click on sell, it's going to be sold. And once they approve this, your order, the money will land on your Trading212 account and you can withdraw it to your local bank account, or you can use it to buy things online, because Trading212 have their own MasterCard now that you can use to purchase things online. So you can decide what you want to do with your money at the end of it. So, but one thing I'm recommending is that when you are investing your money online, you need to invest for long time. Don't just invest your money for short term. Invest for long term. So that is my own advice to you guys who want to start investing online. So that is how you can invest your money in shares if you want to invest your money in shares. Let us say you have share in mind. Let us say we search for like Shopify. It will pop up here. All we just need to do, you can see the price of Shopify, $127.21. If I click on buy, it's just the same process, just like we did on Microsoft. And we click on enter the price here. Let us say we enter the price. It's still the same thing, guys. It's not different. Enter the price to show us the market price here, because we are buying with the market price, and it's going to show here. We can click on review order. That is everything you need to do. So let me close this page. You already know how you can invest your money into shares that you have in mind. But one thing I didn't let you know is that when you want to invest in any share, one thing that I want you to focus on, you need to see if the company have dividend. So when we scroll down here, you can see that Shopify don't have dividend. As you can see at the bottom here, you can see the dividend is showing empty. There is nothing that they are going to give you at the end of the month. You are going to rely on this company to grow in value and make money. So that is one thing that I want to let you know here. So to invest in ETF, which is S&P 500, if you want to invest for retirement, if you want to invest in this model, you need to invest it for long term. Don't just invest your money today. If you make money tomorrow, you cash it out. No, invest for long term, because that is how you make money. Because if you cash out your money, you are going to pay double tax. You are going to pay tax to this website or this platform, pay tax to your own country, pay tax for them to send that money to you. So they are going to charge you everywhere. Even when the money arrives in your bank account, they are going to tax you more. So that is why you need to avoid withdrawing your money when you have already invested it. Just invest it for long term so that you make a lot of money in the future. Let us say 5 years to 10 years is minimum that I am recommending you guys to do. But do your own research before you take any of the advice that I'm saying on those video, guys. So to invest in S&P 500, what you need to do is to come to the search bar here on the screen, like what you are seeing here. I need to type S&P 500, S&P 500, and it's going to display here. You can see Vanguard S&P 500, Vanguard S&P 500, RCC, Vanguard S&P 500 distri, which means distribute. RCC is accumulate, if you don't know what it means. And the ticket code, which is the symbol of this investment, which is Vanguard S&P 500 RCC, is VUAG. That is the ticket code. So if you look at the second S&P 500 here, which is distribute, and the ticket code is VUSA. And if you want to invest in, let us say in iShare, you can see iShare S&P 500 information. If I click on that, you can see IITU. Once I click on it, it's going to open up. If you want to invest into this S&P 500, what we need to do is to click on buy if we want to invest our money in this company. You have to understand that it's still the same way like you are investing in shares, but one thing that what is different from S&P 500 is that they are bringing a high return when you invest for long term. That is why S&P 500 is important. Invest into the biggest company in the world when you want to invest in S&P 500. Don't just rely in those small S&P 500 that is coming up now. Invest in companies that have been in this game for long, because they know what they are doing. The people that is just coming up, I will not say they don't know what they are doing, but they are new. So you might lose your money. So just for you to know about that. Let's also want to invest. All we just need to do is to enter one share, and it's going to show us the price of this S&P 500, which is 33 euros and 23 cents. Once you enter it, click on review, you are going to order this, your S&P 500. Once the market is open, this your share is going to be launched, and you can start accumulating money. That is one thing that is very, very important here. Like I told you, invest in company that is paying dividend. Go to the bottom and look at asset allocation on those platform. You can see, once you click on asset allocation at the bottom here, you can see top holders are Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft. If you scroll down, you can see more of them on the screen here. So you can see the company that have invested their money in this particular S&P 500 ETF. So once you click on sectors here, you can see the sectors that have invested their money in this platform, which is, you can see that 99% is technology. So if you click on country here, you can see the same thing. 99.82 is United States. That is the company that have invested their money in this platform. That is why I'm saying that you should focus on the company that are on the first page, not just anyhow company. Invest in company that have been in this game of S&P 500 for long term. So the ticket code of this S&P 500 is ITTU if you want it. So that is, search for what is ITTU, and it's going to tell you what it means. And you can see that ITTU mean this word here. iShare S&P 500 information technology sector assets, which is accumulate. So that is one thing that I want to let you know on those video, guys. If you want to invest, let us say Vanguard S&P 500 this rate, if we click on that, it's going to open here. You can see that we can invest in this company if we want, and the ticket code is VUSA. So let us go to Google now. Let us say we search for what is VOO. VOO is Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. If you don't know what ETF mean exchange trading fund. If you don't know what it means, and let us say, for example, before you invest in any company, you need to look at the expense ratio. If you don't know what expense ratio mean the amount you are going to pay at the end of the year for you to invest in that particular company. It's like tax they are going to charge you to be an investor in that company or to that company. Let us click on that Vanguard S&P 500. It's going to open this to us. So all we just need to look at is the expense ratio at the bottom here. You can see it 3%, which means, let us say we invest $100 in this company in 1 year. That our $100, they are going to charge us 0.03%. That is what they are going to charge us at the end of the year. So to just be an holder to this company, and this company is a company that is in dividend. So if you want to invest in dividend, VOO is one of the best, I would say, among the best S&P 500 that you can invest your money into. So let me show you the top S&P 500 that you can invest your money on if you want to start doing them today. So you can see on my notepad here, you can see that I have done the best S&P 500 that you can invest your money on here. So I showed this on my last video where I talked about how you can invest your money into S&P 500. You can see you can invest your money on the best ETF, and you can see other investments. If you want to invest in real estate, those are the type of stocks that you can invest your money on. If you want to invest in bond ETF, those are the stocks ETF that you can invest your money on. If you want to invest in dividend, you want to be making money out of the investment that you have done to that particular company, you can do it by investing your money in this you can see here. So each company have their ticket code. Every one of this green background that you can see here and this data that you can see on the screen is the ticket code of that particular company that you want to invest your money on. And if you want to grow your money, you can do that by investing in this company, which is called IWF, or you can invest on VUG or QQQ. It just depends on the company that you want to invest your money on. So that is everything I want to talk about on the video on how you can invest your money on ETF, guys. So only what I will ask from you right now is for you to just hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to learn how you can cash out your money from Trading212, you can watch this video that is going to pop up right now. If you want to make money with affiliate program, you can watch this video in the bottom. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Don't forget,